don't know the king set on the king step. It's the one and only. And the niggas.
Yo, bro, come on, let's go. It's 4:30, man. I just got off work.
Looking at the phone and see more, girl. It's like pretty man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. I got type of bum buckle that nice now.
Yeah. Give it to me, baby. Oh, yeah. Right here. Don't stop.
There you go. Yeah.
Don't stop. Oh, yeah.
Bum buckle. How that? How the bum buckle like that? Yo, brother, we are there.
Yo, bro, what the hell is going on? Is everything all right?
Dante, why are you here? You told me to link you at 4:30. It's 4:30 and I'm here. What's up? What's going on? Yo, you're deaf or you're blind. You know you're my plant. You know your macaroni music. You know your skins that get beat with leather belt with lone balling.
Oh, yeah?
Huh? Bro, what does that mean? It mean me have sex.
Sex.
Wait. Bro, you cannot be having sex in there, bro. It sounds like a goddamn construction site. Exactly. Me I dig a foundation, cement it with some youth, so we can build a future. By the way, guy yard, brother. Yo, you Jamaicans are mad disrespectful, bro. You the one who told me to link you. Oh yeah, give me 20 minutes. Shit, all right then, bro. I'ma be out here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What? Bro, you sure you having sex, bro?
Babe, come back to bed.
That answer your question. So, why doesn't it sound like that when I'm having sex with my girl? Because all you do is nyammer like your belly endless. Your mother not feed you. Your father should have shame. Every day the man got a road for provide for you and coming like him work or going VN youth. Well, you already know, bro. Sometimes you meet a baddie, bro. She got that pretty pink cat, dog. You just gotta take it. All right, then. Well, fuck you too, bro.